To see how dependent, independent, mutually exclusive and inclusive events give rise to addition and multiplication rules of probabilities, let's see a few examples in this video. Suppose a card is drawn from a deck of 52 playing cards. क्या probability है कि हमको एक king या queen मिलेगा? Let's see how we can figure this out. So there are 13 spades, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds and 13 clubs. In each of these four categories of cards, there are one jack, one king and one queen card. तो हमारा सवाल ये है कि क्या chances हैं कि या तो king pick होगा या फिर queen. We have a deck of cards here. Let A represent the event that a king is drawn and B represent the event that a queen is drawn. So these two events are disjoint. मतलब कि एक king card queen नहीं हो सकता और एक queen card king नहीं हो सकता. इन दो events को हम mutually exclusive events कहेंगे. क्यों? Because there is no intersection between the two sets. Thus the probability of the set of kings and the probability of the set of queens is the union of both probabilities, which makes probability of A plus probability of B. The probability of kings is 4 upon 52 and similarly the probability of queens is 4 upon 52. Adding that makes 8 over 52 and simplified it's 2 over 13. So ये ऐसा experiment था जिसमें events could occur at the same time. Now let's look at an experiment जिसमें events are non-mutually exclusive. Will that make any difference in the combined probabilities of the two? Let's take a deck of cards again. A single card is chosen at random from a standard deck of 52 playing cards. What is the probability of choosing a king or a club? अब वापस से सारे कार्ड्स को देखते हैं ये समझने के लिए कि कितने कार्ड्स किंग के हैं और कितने क्लब्स के. हमें पता है 4 कार्ड्स किंग के होते हैं इन टोटल और 13 कार्ड्स क्लब्स के. But look, there is a card with the king as well as a club. How do you deal with the situation? चलिए इसे Venn diagram पर देखते हैं. We have 4 king cards and 13 club cards. And there's one card in the common region. If I start counting all the cards, I might count one extra one that is in the common region. The probability of a king card is 4 over 52 and the probability of a club card is 13 over 52. But the question we have at hand is that the card can either be a club or a king. It cannot be both. So adding the two probabilities simply would not give us the correct answer. जब हम Venn diagram को देखते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि हमें common region वाला कार्ड उसमें से subtract करना पड़ेगा, right? So उस common region वाले कार्ड की क्या probability है? That's 1 over 52. जब हम इस सबको compute करते हैं, we get the answer 16 over 52, which when we simplify is 4 over 13. Here we get done with the addition rule of probability. If A and B are two mutually exclusive events, that is nothing in common. Then the probability that either one of the events will occur is, if A and B are two mutually inclusive events, that is not equal to 0. Then the probability that either one of the events will occur is,